Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Ngasi video si vlog oina oidoi ne buko. Ado vlog se hokta kan mangda ai pot ani khakta mayam da ucharakke. Kisi product ani sine. Ado ham bagi sina shampoo ne buko. Onion oil shampoo hai buko, which is sulfate and paraben free. Koi sam yu oina di sulfate and paraben je phatte buko sina kanda or product any product ya buko. Ado product ko shu koi sam yu oina di ka shu ai di फते हाइतार को सिगी हुजिकी सल्फेट का अदुदुगा पैराबेन दुगा अदुदु याउदे को मा इंग्रेडिएंट्स सिदा को हेयर फॉल प्रिवेंट तो वी अदुगा हेयर ग्रोथ तो सु यामना मतेंग पा नेक्स्ट की सिदी असिदी आई ट्राई तौतरी बट यस आई हैव ट्राइड दिस वन अदु सिदी आई खंगदे आई दिंगा मेबी चार कांदा मतुंगदा review do khara phajana hena pirage but chiji ai kain khangde it is also vitamin for your hair and it is plant based you know mad ama khatang chaga da bane ko chak char matung da chabe ai 진거도 세임 거놓고 Okay, fast, we have to leave. Leo, oi. I know. Why is it blurred? Blurred करे. Auto तो नहीं कोई चल इससे. Auto ID, auto क्या कर पे आते बड़ा तेरे मुँह पे बोलो. सर, अभी your hand. I know. White side. White side. Kaya no Leo. White side ne white side. White side बरो यहाँ बगे. Yaure. Silver slash tawro duga stay na tham You guys don't speak. Wow guys, the place is so cool. Look at the place. Yeah. We'll ask here. Cafe 83 it says. Reached. Why do I look so pale? Why do I look so pale? We'll go keep our luggage and come. We'll have our I tripod se am nuai te kai nu lai. It's not even stable. Okay, do you know where? Whom to ask? So first we'll be doing our activities. Where? Guys, this is the room. Beautiful. So we'll be getting one of this. 3 of us. Okay, so this is not the checking time. Now where? He told near the pool. Where's the pool? Huh. Yum ding di wo as chi nungai do male. Tomorrow 11 a.m. we will check out. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh, I'm seen. Can you see me? We'll keep it here. Guys.
Where's the key? Key.
Kusu bade manganda khan lep ke.
Okay. You know what is there inside?
Hana chanaru doine buko. So we'll do the activities first and then we will check in by 3 p.m. Okay, so I don't know if I can show everything, but I'll try to cover up as much as possible. We're getting our welcome drinks here. Kaino. Come on, Amma kaino. What is that? Masala lime. We'll go sit there. We're going for activities now. Which activity? Which I don't know. Garam manu say. I forgot all the names here. Come look out for it. Garam manu sab to use it.
Khangde yengo du dum. Ha kiye khangde. This lady will force me for everything now. I'm scared of heights, but come, let's go, don't waste time.
The jeans so I'll wear. Ayukta. There's one activity here. I don't know what is it called. Yeah, bubble soccer. Bubble soccer. Yep. Look at that. Look at that.
That's the sky swing.
Yeah.
Which I'm.
We both are doing, okay. This is where we're going to do the sky swing. And
Hey, this is going to be so scary.
I know. Rocket ejector. Okay, Sina taga sita wea ba.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing this.
Huh? Hey, show me your faces. Hazaye tum. Now we na tum ta wea ani tusi je. Leo, you tell me which one do you want to do?
Leo, this is
Okay, we're going to do. I know about it. I'm I can't. How are you guys feeling? Bad? Dang mamme.
How are you feeling?
इस लीड के लिए हो जाओ तैयार.
She's dead.
I did
That
twice.
twice. Yare yare. Kado jangan tu murah sih ko yaro. Babada pun tahu dia. Babada. Kanano.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the second part. I will be showing you a lot more. So see you there.